shoreline fishing. I'm out here pike fishing, well, and I'm using Red Devil for now. It is cool out, actually kind of cold out, so hopefully that might attract a couple pike. I'm feeling good today, so let's see. Let's fish. So I was out there for a couple hours and lost 2 spoons. So I'm going to go to the docks and go birch fishing. I'm guessing that was a warning or a heads up saying, hey, not pike fishing day today. So let's go travel. So here I am now at the docks fishing with a MEPS 3. Hopefully catch a few perch. Let's see and let's fish. First fish of the day. I want to show you something. If you can see it, hopefully you can, I can, but there are tons and tons of bait fish in there. It's hard to see because of the reflection, but I don't think you can see it, so, but if we can, great. Might be a little bit too many bait fish swimming around, but this is still the second fish I caught. Beautiful colors, beautiful, beautiful colors. Just keep on fishing, but still nice. Beautiful colors. I just can't get over the colors of these perch. Day like today, every fish is a great fish. They just have so much to choose from in bait fish that it's just by luck that they go for mine. Kind of a nicer size. Set them back. There's another one. Finally. When sometimes you just have good luck. Today I just don't seem to be having great luck. I've been taking photos of every, videos of every fish I catch so far, because they're few and far between. This one for the size I'm be catching today. Set on the back. That's a nice one today. Definitely the biggest one so far today, and that's 2 casts, 2 fish. So apparently I just had to wait a little bit longer. Hopefully this is a sign to come. So let me go. Nice dive, youngin. Center back. There's a nice little fish. Here we go. Center back. Here we go. Another nice fish. Ooh, almost dropped him on the dock. Oops. That was an okay fishing trip. So, till next time, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Keep on fishing.